I'm Scott Lanningham at IBM Insight. The pleasure right now of speaking with Bård Hakkestad, who is Sales Director with Middlecons. Bård, thanks for being here today.
Yeah, thank you.
Appreciate your time. You know, I wanted to ask you, what kind of data do you see that customers use in their big data Hadoop solutions? What are they using?
Well, we divide data into three different groups. The first group is private data. That's the data that you own yourself. The next group of data is commercial data, data that you purchase from somebody else.
Okay.
And the third group is publicly available data that you can download from anywhere.
Now, you know, I know implementing it is difficult, right? This isn't something that's always so easy to do, a big data Hadoop solution in a business. But this is what you help customers do. So talk about how you help them be successful at it.
Yeah, as you mentioned there, this is one of the big problems, taking the data from wherever it is and putting it into Hadoop. Because there are so many different kinds of data, the sources are so disparate, so it takes a very long time and it's difficult to do that. And we're also talking nowadays very much about data lineage or the how the data where the data is from and where it's going to be put.
So let's talk about where you encourage businesses to begin their path down this road you're discussing.
Yeah, to be able to start a good project, you need to identify where you can earn the most money. And that is easiest done within offloading a data warehouse, a existing data warehouse. It's easy money to earn and it's rather quick to do.
Okay, now what's the risk of not doing what you're talking about? I mean, is it okay for some businesses to just skip this whole thing?
Well, as you know, many of these new techniques are very much cheaper than the old techniques. So if you don't utilize these new technologies, you will probably end up having too high cost for your IT. And at the end of the day, you will go out of business.
So it's really about staying competitive and just staying a part of the evolution of business.
Yeah, you need to continuously develop your business, I think.
Okay. Can I ask you your impressions of IBM Cloud and the bridge to the cloud offering?
Yeah, these are really great offerings for customers that would like to test and have a starting point for the cloud offerings. For very many companies, they are using their on-premise solution today, but they would like to go to the cloud. And with these solutions, they are able to both have the on-premise solution and the cloud solution coexisting.
All right. Well, Bård, I wish you all the best in your efforts at Middlecons, and thank you for taking time for chatting with us today.
Yeah.
Again, I've been talking with Bård Hakkestad, who is Sales Director with Middlecons. We're IBM.